Audi 2024 A3. How to maintain Audi A3 2024 car. In the previous video, we discussed tips for buying an Audi A3 2024 car. And for the current video, a video has been made on how to maintain an Audi A3 2024 car. As we all know, maintaining an Audi A3 2024 or any car involves a combination of routine maintenance tasks. In addition, you must also be able to solve problems immediately, or you can also follow the manufacturer's recommendations. With that in mind, here are some general guidelines for maintaining an Audi A3. First, routine oil change for your Audi A3 car. Make sure to change the engine oil at the recommended intervals. And use the specified oil level as outlined in the owner's manual. Second, check and maintain brake, coolant, and power steering fluid levels. At this stage, it means that you can regularly check and top up important fluids, including coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. Third, brake system maintenance on your Audi A3 2024. Inspect the brake system regularly, including the brake pads, discs, and brake fluid. Replace brake components as needed. If done regularly, your car will remain comfortable to drive. Fourth, check and rotate your Audi tires. For further maintenance, you can check the tire pressure and tread depth regularly. Rotate tires according to the recommended schedule to ensure even wear. Fifth, battery maintenance. In this maintenance, you only check your Audi A3 2024 car battery for corrosion and make sure the battery is installed properly. Replace the battery if necessary, and clean the corrosion using a mixture of baking soda and water. Sixth, air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter periodically to ensure proper airflow and engine performance. Seventh, alignment and suspension on the 2024 Audi A3 car. Schedule regular inspections of the vehicle's alignment and suspension components. Address any issues promptly to ensure a smooth and safe ride. Eighth, electrical system check on Audi A3 2024 car. Periodically inspect the lights, including headlights, brake lights, and turn signals. Replace any burned out bulbs promptly. Ninth, keep the 2024 Audi A3 interior clean. Regularly clean the interior, including the dashboard, seats, and carpets. Protect the surfaces with appropriate cleaners and conditioners. 10th, protect the exterior of the Audi A3 2024. Wash and wax the exterior regularly to protect the paint and finish. Attend to any scratches or chips promptly to prevent rusting. These are some of the maintenance methods of the Audi A3 2024 car that you should know. In addition, another important thing is to adhere to the recommendations given by the Audi Authorized Service Center for additional maintenance and inspection tasks. Remember that the specific maintenance requirements for your Audi A3 may differ, so it's important to read your owner's manual and follow the manufacturer's recommendations. And if you perform regular maintenance, it will help ensure the longevity, performance, and safety of your 2024 Audi A3 car. Okay, hope this helps.